package. Saan galing? Ah, from the US. Okay. We'll unbox it later. Come on, join us. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's May again, and hope you're all keeping well. And welcome to my second unboxing vlog. And today we're gonna unbox a package from the US. And we have just received this package today, and it was sent through LBC. So let's have a look what's inside. So here's Romeo. Hi Romeo. Say hello. Okay. Oh, and this is Isabella. Hi. And this is the package. It's from the, like I said, it's from the US. It was delivered through LBC. Yes, LBC there, LBC. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so what's inside? Let's open it. Wow! Wow! Oh, Isabella's happy. She saw the chocolates. So this is Ferrero and Dove chocolate.
Dove chocolate?
You like that, Belle?
I like it. I want all the chocolate. I want this one.
Okay, you like that? What's that? Candy.
Candy fruit.
Ah, okay.
Candy fruit.
And chocolate. So many chocolates. Thank you so much to our lovely friend.
We have
And what? Wow, this is nice. Sanitizing wipes. Wow. Thank you. And okay. Hi. Say hello. And what's this? Oh, lotion. Aveeno. Okay. Okay.
Lotion.
We have 2 bottles of lotion. And wow, it's vitamin C. 1,000 milligrams. Wow, this is nice. Thank you so much. It's big. It has 500 tablets. So wow. Okay, and multivitamins. Okay. And vitamin E. Kirkland. Wow, nice. Thank you. And wow, this is nice again. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. And we have 4 bottles of hand sanitizer. And the last one. Wow, I love this. Very healthy. Quaker Oats. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, you choose. Which one do you like? Isabella, which one do you like? Okay. Like that? Okay.
And this one too.
It's from a friend from the US. Thank you so much, Janet. And we really appreciate this. Thank you so much for your generosity. Thank you. God bless. We love you.